Hey guys, this is Mike from Tech Reviews here, and today is a multi-unboxing for some Pixel A series cases by Ghostek. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So again, this is a multi-unboxing video here, and I want to give the channel a shout out here to Ghostek for sending these out. So Ghostek reached out to me and they decided to send me some cases. I let them know the type of phones I have, which are all of the Pixel A series phones right now. So I currently have the Pixel 3a, Pixel 4a, and Pixel 5a. So today is October 19th, 2021, and today was the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro launch event, and they announced the phones. And being a part of Team Pixel, I will be receiving those phones coming up in the next day or so. So big shout out to them, Team Pixel hashtag. So they sent me a few cases, right? So this one is for the 3A. This one looks like a wallet case actually. So again, I normally use Spigen cases, but you know, these are something that they sent me, so I definitely wanted to try these out. So I'm going to go with this case first. Let's go ahead and get this one open really quick. Fancy cases for the most part from the looks of it. And I'll go ahead and leave affiliate links on the bottom for you guys to check those out as well. But again, this is the 3A case here. It doesn't look too big from the side of it, so hopefully we'll see how it goes. I'm not 100% sure how this one works exactly. I don't know if this is just stuck here. It looks like it is stuck there. Again, it's a wallet case, so it's meant to be used, you know, so that you can carry on your credit or debit cards, or even some cash. So I only see the pocket on the inside, though. I don't see the pocket anywhere else. And it's like a magnetic pocket, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and take this little thing out over here really quick. Again, Ghostek, shout out to them. Here's the Pixel 3a, and I'm doing a multi unboxing here because I don't want to do 3 separate videos for these specific cases. So this is how the case would look if we just had it regular. And again, I don't have a credit card to put in there, but you guys get the idea of what a card would look like if I were to stick it on the inside of it. It would sit all the way inside, and it would sit flush, so it wouldn't be sticking out or anything. Can probably hold more than one card also. So, again, it's one of those. Now, if I can give feedback about this cases, I would prefer if it was on the other side, the wallet portion of it, I guess, because again, if I want to access this phone or use this phone, I have to open it up every single time to use that. But still very innovative, or still somewhat of a decent looking case there. Again, I just don't like that it covers the screen there, and that's pretty much what it comes with. Again, they gave me a sticker also, so big shout out to them. I'll probably be putting that on my computer or on my car. But again, you can see here that I did update my phone to Pixel or Android 12. So again, that's the Pixel 3a. So I'm going to put that one aside. Shout out to, again, Team Pixel. Actually, let me put this back on the inside really quick, and I'll put this case aside over here really quick, and I'll put the phone over here. So next one would be the Pixel 4a. So Pixel 4a case. So I received this probably about earlier this past week, and I don't know why. I think the case was already open or something, or they might have sent me a used case, because it looks like there's a nasty smudge on the inside, and it kind of makes me not want to touch it, and everything just kind of fell out there. Which is okay, it's just a sticker, whatever. And this one seems just like more of a common shell case that you would see on any other phone. It's a clear case. Again, it's got stains and it's a little bit dirty. And this looks very similar to the iPhone 12 mini case that I used for the last unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it in real quick. Just to show you guys again what the case looks like with the phone. Again, this one does have a little kickstand, so if I wanted to, and if I was watching movies or anything like that, I can just lay it down and it's going to sit flush just like that. Pretty much all the way around. It's got kind of like a hard rubbery feel to it. Not too bad though. It's a little bit soft to the touch, right? And again, you have this over here, so it doesn't look too bad. Again, just the smudges. I don't know what's going on with that, Ghostek. I don't know if USPS opened up my items or something like that, or to that extent. But yeah, definitely not a bad looking case, to say the least. Again, I'm going to post the link for the 4A case down there, down below also, just so you guys can check that out. And really not a bad looking case. Again, it's got like a little red edge on the corners there. Same thing there. and it looks like it has one of those little holes where maybe you can put like a little strap or something so you can kind of hold on to it. You know, your bottom portion of the phone looks like that, and that's something I failed to show you guys with the Pixel 3a case over here. So again, there's your bottom portion there, and your top portion there for the cutouts. Now again, I don't know if this comes off completely. I don't think it does. Again, Ghostek, right? Okay, I'll just leave that there for now. But this one's a more plain case, and this to me seems more practical and logical. So I'm gonna put that aside. That is the Pixel. Again, 4a right there, Pixel 3. I'm going in order, right? So the last case that we're going to take a look at is the Pixel 5a case. And again, it is another wallet case, but this one looks like it's in the back. So it says 4-card detachable wallet case. And again, it says scan QR code, yada, yada, yada. This one, again, did look like it was open prior. So again, I don't know if people are sending these cases back, etc. like that. But I guess we'll see what's happening. But for the most part, this one looks like it's kind of like in between the other two. Again, one of their business cards popped out, so I'm losing things everywhere, guys. So let's go ahead and pull the case out. And this one seems to be a pretty decently rugged case. Again, I normally use Spigen cases, but you know, for this company sending these out to me, it's definitely opened my eyes to other case manufacturers, just because you know, they're there, and it's something that I need to acknowledge. You know, again, I'm not a huge fan of phone cases. If I didn't have to use them, I wouldn't. Again, here's the Pixel 5a right here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it in. You notice the trend there with all of these Naruto backgrounds. Shout out to people that like Naruto, by the way. But anyways, or anime in general. So, okay, I'm getting a message. That's okay. So again, here is the actual casing here, and I don't know if this opens or what. Let me see. It says it can hold up to 4 cards though, so again, you can probably open that a little bit just to check that out. I don't want to break it though, but it looks like it can hold up to 4 cards here in the background, and it looks pretty sleek. Surprisingly, I'm really not a fan of the color, right? It's kind of like a grayish color, but it's like a soft plastic touch. It looks a little more professional, you know what I mean, for people that, you know, want a case where they don't have to carry a wallet around. It's very smooth around the edges. Like if you look here on the top, it looks really nice. You know, the black accents that go with it. You know, you have your volume and power buttons down over here. This kind of, it might be annoying for people that want to access the fingerprint sensor, right? But again, that's just, you know, spectacle, or what's the word? Logical. No, it's not logical, but anyways, that would be a good thumbnail. Nice thumbnail right there. But anywho, guys, you know, for the most part, this, you know, isn't too distracting. I think it is removable. Let's take a look. Ooh, that one is removable. So pretty cool. It pops in and out. And, you know, again, you can pull your cards in and out. And again, if you don't want it, you don't need to use it, right? But again, if I do need to use it, you know, again, let's try to throw that back in there. Boom. And it clips in, so it's a little safe. You know, you really have to kind of give it pressure for it to pop out. So I think that's interesting. Now, of course, this phone does support this phone does not support wireless charging, so that shouldn't be too big of an issue there. But overall, you know, again, you know, if you guys don't like the wallet portion of it, you can use that, but then it kind of leaves you like that little gap right there in the middle. It does feel nice and smooth though, I'll tell you that much. So again, big shout out to Ghostek for sending these out to me. Not bad cases at all. I know these cases can range from about $10 to $25 just depending on the case. So I will post up links in the description for all of these so that you guys can check out. Definitely will have to try this out, you know, if I ever decide to take my Pixel 5a and I decide to leave my wallet at home, you know, I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to put cash in there, but definitely can put a couple credit cards in and then go from there. So again, guys, you know, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Don't forget to smash the like button. It is Pixel Week, by the way, so shout out to Team Pixel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.